Morning, my name is Budevkrit. I am pursuing a BTech degree from Function of School of Technology. I am in a second semester, and my first semester I learned some programming languages like JavaScript, Java, HTML, CSS, and to intermediate level. And currently, we are learning how to solve DSL problems and solving some DSL problems, and also learning React. So, in this video, I am going to explain how to make a sign-in page using the local storage and how to use the local storage. So first let me share my screen. So this is how my web page look like. If first we don't have an account, so we click on sign up, and if we click on the sign up, first let me show you that this is the local storage, and if we enter anything in it and click on the submit sign in, then every information about it will show here. Like if we enter my name here and date, phone number, email, and some password. And if the password does not match, and if you click on the sign up, then it will show alert that the password and the confirm password should be same. So first let me write the same password, and if we submit it, it automatically redirect us to the home page, and all the data from the sign up should be show here, and we can use it as we want, like the username, date of birth, phone, email, password, and confirm password. We don't need the confirm password, but we can also take it if you want. So how I made this, and let me explain another thing. When we sign in, because I have already signed up, then I can sign in. So if we go to the sign in page, it asks us for the email address. So first we will put our email address in this, and if we uh, put the incorrect password, then it will show username or password is incorrect. And if we put the same password as here, then it will redirect us to the home page. So let me explain how I did this. So I have already explained the routing, so I'm not going to explain it again. First, I have created a component folder and created some components like about, contact, home, navbar, sign in, and sign up component. And in the app.js, we have set the path for each and every component like home, about, contact, sign in, sign up, and assign a path to every one of them by importing the path from the React router DOM. So first we have to install the React router DOM using the command uh, npm install React router DOM. After that, in the index dot uh, after that, for the sign in page, first we have to create a sign up page, because first we are going to take the data, then we are going to use it. So here first I imported the React use state, because I'm going to use the use state hook, and also the link, because for the uh, router, for the I'm going to use link because it does not refreshes the page and only changes the part that we want to change. And also import the use navigation because we want to redirect our web page automatically without clicking on any button. So first I will create a function sign up as the name of the component, and inside it I have made a used it and assign the default value as false, because if you see here I have made my sign up page in two parts. First only these three, which will be the username, date of birth and phone number, and the uh, then the email address, password, and confirm password. If we uh, if we fill it and click on the next, then the next part will appear as email address, password, and the confirm password. That's why I made this. If we click on this, if we click on this next button, then this types. If we click on this next button, the the next will convert it to false, and this will appear. This part will appear there, and if we don't click on anything, then it will set false for as default. Then this part will appear. So that's how I made the two part. And after that, to set on the every data to first to the local storage, first I've created a use state and assign each created 6 keys as username, date of birth, phone, email as an address, password, and confirm password. And for the value, I have assigned an empty string to each of them. And to fill it, in each of the input, I have set a handle change function. On click, if we change on anything on them, then this on change will trigger and handle change will run. And if it change, first I have said e.prevent default, so it will prevent the home page from refreshing itself, and it will set the data as per the previous data. By using spread operator, it will spread the data and it will check the id as the key, and it will put the data by on the key that will appear here, as I have set the id as username, same as the key on each of them. That's why it will automatically check and arrange itself according to the key and set the value on each of them. After that, as I have already explained for this part, how I made it true, because first only the false function, else function will run. So if you want, click on the next, like here, if you click on the next, this if you click on the next, this will run. Next handle next will run, and first it will prevent the page from refresh itself, and it will first check if local store dot get item and the username is the data dot username, because if we already signed in from that username, then it will show the alert username already have an account. Else it will empty each of the box from this and set next as true. It will change the set next as true, and if it is converted to true, then the upper part will be appear first. Only the lower part will be appear, as lower part is the username, date of birth, and phone number, and the upper part is email address, password, and confirm password. After that, if we handle it, it first prevent the page from refreshing itself, and it will check if the data.password is equal to data.confirm password. What is the data? Data is the object of all the details of this. First, it will check if it is true, then it will set all we need inside the local storage and navigate to the home page, which I have already assigned the path. And if the confirm password and the password is not same, then it will show the alert password and confirm password should be same. So this is the sign up part. Let's go to the sign in part. So if you go to the sign in part, first I have imported the use state because we want to use the use state, and imported also the use navigation because we want, if all of the conditions satisfied, then we automatically get redirected to the home page. And also imported the link because we want to use a router routes, and we have to set the path to. So to make this, first I have created two inputs from which I am taking the email address and passwords, and if we are putting the email address, it automatically is getting set inside this data, which the default is the email address, and the value is empty string, and for the password is also empty string. And if you are putting anything inside the inputs, it first spread the data from the previous data, and here checking the IDs of the events, and set the value according to the ID inside this data. And here I have used navigate is equal to use navigate. To use the navigate uh, for because we want to get redirected to the home page, and if we click on the login, it will first prevent the page from refresh itself and check if local storage.get item. It will take the value of the email, as you can see here. The value of the email is the email address. It will check if the email address is the data.mail what we have put inside this data, and from the local storage both of the email are same, and the local storage.get item pass and the data.pass, both of the password are also same. If both of the condition is satisfied, then it will redirect us to the home page, and if any of the one of them is false, then it will show this alert username password is incorrect. So this is how I made this. Thank you for watching.